All right, we're going to look at a preview here of a great video done by Arvi, one of our great analysts here, and certainly our lead cycle analyst. He does fantastic work. If you're not familiar with the work, make sure that you do watch this video right now. 12 stocks to watch, 6 negative and 6 positive, and essentially you're going to get a lesson on cycle analysis, which he does in every single video that he produces. This is a great one. Take a look at this, 12 stocks to watch in our stock sectors category.
So this is CMCSA, and this is a really clear chart with just one single key money flow pattern in play. You can see the rising phases and corrective phases very clearly with key lows here that have formed very close to the idealized timing. Now, what I want to highlight is this nice base off of the COVID low, such as what we saw in many names. And after that, we got a confirmation of that base as we moved into this rising phase and broke out through that old swing high here in that next rising phase. After that, we formed a positive cycle with a higher cycle low relative to the prior low and a higher cycle high relative to the prior cycle high. When that happens, the odds would favor a new swing high in that next rising phase, and that is what happened. After that, you'll see we had a sell-off that actually broke this key weekly low, and we now have a bearish weekly cycle configuration. When you have that, what you're looking for is only for a rally into this red zone. Where is that red zone drawn from? It's drawn from this recent swing high to this recent swing low. We use our fib tool to come up with our resistance zones, and those come in from 52 to around 56 or so. So that's really what we're looking for in Comcast. Really looking for a move more to the middle of this range, or around 54, and that's with Comcast trading right now at 49.21. So still a decent percentage move on the upside in a name that is not really super volatile here. What I do want to note is that we do have negative weekly momentum, so we do want to see that curl back to the upside and turn positive, such as what happened here and here and here, and all of that did confirm that we were in that next rising phase here on the weeklies. That's really what we're watching for here in Comcast. Overall, a bearish overall pattern, but likely to get into a time window where we can get a decent percentage move on the upside in this next rising phase here. Next one, let's look at CRM. So this is Salesforce. Obviously, it's been a monster stock for many years. If I just zoom out on this chart, as we all know, and you can see we were in this rising phase, had the rally, and then have actually violated this key weekly low. And this is really saying that an early high has formed. You can see this strong downturn in the weekly momentum right here as well. So looking for any little rally here to then set up movements back on the downside. On the downside, we have a major 61.8 at 243 and a major 78.6 at 225. Our next key low is due 314 to 425, and our levels on the upside are 273.80 to 288.42. That's really the zone that we would look for CRM to fail in on any rally. And if we just bring over the fib tool, we have a 78.6 at 298. So we absolutely need to stay below that level to keep this overall bearish bias intact. But really, based on this overall shape with an early high that's formed, we would look for very muted rallies and then swift failures. That's really what this looks like to us here in CRM.
Great work, Arvi. I want to invite all of you to watch that whole video. If you're not a member level 2 or 3, 4, you could now subscribe and take advantage of our great Christmas special to watch that whole video. 6 positive, 6 negative stocks with very significant patterns that are offering some pretty good trades moving forward. That is our good look at our stock sectors preview for today. Thanks for watching that askSlim special video. Now take a quick peek at our annual askSlim holiday special. Great holiday gifts for traders and investors. Give the gift of askSlim. These are our special rates. In fact, the lowest of the year for 3-month memberships, and they are non-recurring. So if you give this gift to somebody, you won't get billed again, and they won't get billed again either. Give the gift to someone you know who loves trading and investing, or give the gift to yourself. It's great for first-time members at askSlim.com to really see what we do. Use this special to try a higher level if you're already an askSlim member, and do that for 3 months. And then we're going to give you a bonus gift we're going to send you an Amazon gift card that's going to help you pay for part of these memberships that you give to somebody or give to yourself. Let's take a look as we go to the askSlim page in here. And this is the main page. And what I want you to do is to go to the very top, as you can see, that line for our holiday specials, and then click on this little green box, save 30% or more. And that's going to take you to our special holiday page where we have these offers. And you'll be able to see that there are 4 different gift options, and those are for our level 2, 3, 4, and 4+ members. And you can see that we're going to give you back an Amazon gift card depending on which one you take for level 2, level 3, level 4, or level 4+. So if you take level 4, you're going to be able to get a $100 gift card back for that 3-month membership. And then we have the list in here of everything that's included in each of those memberships. Just a tremendous amount of content that is both educational and analytical. There's no place you're going to learn more than what we teach with our amazing staff of 4 analysts that teach you all of the time the great things you need to know about trading and investing. So please do go to askSlim.com and take a look at those holiday specials and give that gift of askSlim. Thank you very much for listening.